Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Mrs. Officer. The song is Mrs. Officer. The artist is Lil Wayne featuring Bobby, V, and Kid Kid. The choreography is Sheila Carter. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 251-0674 as a friendly reminder. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Yeah, 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 She got me thinking I can date a cop. Cause the uniform was so tight. She read me my right. She put me in a car. She cut up all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler. Sounding like a siren. Talking about yeah, yeah, yeah. And I know she the law. And she know I'm the ball. And she know I get high. Ain't above the law. And she know I'm wrong. She know I'm from the street. And all she want me to do is the police. Talking about yeah. When I get up on ya, the angels calling us. I see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in the plane, I make it by the same. I make it say and after we got done, I said, lady, what's your number? She said 911. Emergency only. Any doctor perform surgery on me. Yeah, and now I'm healed. I make her wear number handcuffs and heels. And I beat it like a cop. Rodney King, baby, yeah, I beat it like a cop. Beat it like